Happy Monday and welcome back after work and school. We need, thankfully, a dry forecast as we've been getting in the groove all day long after the long holiday weekend. However, a little bit of sun would have been nice for today, but we have mainly cloudy conditions here in Northwest Ohio, Southeast Michigan, but like I said, at least it's a dry one today. However, those clouds, they're quite dark, a little bit ominous at times. I'm hoping, though, to bring in some sunshine later. You will find some peaks of that sun right around sunset, which is going to be at 5:07 p.m. today. So it's going to be close if we can get some sun before it sets. But at least today we are drying out. Over the weekend in the Toledo area, we saw 1.7 inches of rainfall just yesterday, Sunday. We maybe didn't need all that rain. It's been a dry autumn, but thankfully with the dry conditions that we've had, we didn't have to worry about flooding. So that's a welcome sign. However, back to today, you're going to find temperatures that are going to be in the mid 40s, a little bit cooler than what we've been working with. Now we are done with the rainfall. Sure, we have a little bit of lake effect coming off of Lake Huron and Lake Erie, but so far so good here in Northwest Ohio. We're in good shape. It's quiet here, but it's not quite quiet further west. You can see it's a little bit busy here. And this is where we're going to find the energy to bring our next round of wet weather. So we're going to have, well, not some snow though moving in, but we will take that energy from it because you are going to find here in your hour by hour forecast that we have the clouds for today and even those clouds for tomorrow, but it's Wednesday. We're going to see that rainfall push in, and that's just going to be right after midnight through that morning commute, because by late morning, that's when we're turning the rain off, and then we'll have dry weather by the afternoon. Maybe we can even get a little bit of sun further south. However, we will monitor for some clouds behind that cold front, because that means lake effect probably going to be part of the equation here. Now, the WTOL 11 weather app, that's going to be a helpful tool for us. Radar is going to be great to have there, and also those hourly forecasts as well. And plus, if you're getting into the swing of things, having that daily tab, that's going to help you kind of be prepared not only for today, but what we will expect to see later on this week. Now, when I look at our almanac, well, as far as current temperatures, we'll fill in that data once we have all of that complete. But normal lows should be just below freezing now, and normal highs should be into the mid 40s. So we're actually going to find some seasonal weather, if not just a touch above after the cooler conditions that we've had. But as far as records, we're nowhere close to a record high or a record low in this case. So far, so good for the end of November. Here's a look at that high temperature trend. You're going to find that though we're in the mid 40s today, we bump up into those 50s for Tuesday and Wednesday. Then we're right back down Thursday. Here's a shot of cold air, and then we're up and down. So if you're having a little bit of a slow start getting going back into the swing of things, don't worry, the weather's with you on it. We're going to be up and down on these high temperatures to come. Still some 40s, some 50s. It's all going to be sprinkled in even for the weekend and early next week. Now, it's also not only our temperatures that are a little bit all over the place, but so are our rain chances. We'll see that rainfall move in around midnight, late Tuesday night into Wednesday. Then we have dry weather for Thursday and Friday. But it's the weekend that I'm watching. We've had a system that's been hinting at some rainfall. So Saturday, I'm hoping to keep Sunday dry, but as you head into Monday and Tuesday, here comes our next weather maker in. So it's going to be a pretty fast pattern and active at the same time, but you will find some sunny and some cloudy days as well then in between. A lot of our temperatures though, those, like I said, will be up and down. So keep checking back with the WTOL 11 weather app. We'll have updates on there to keep you ahead of the rainfall and also make sure that you're ready to go with, well, whether the winter coat or just the sweatshirt, whatever you need that day, we'll make sure that we have those temperatures ready to get you out the door.